Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make study schedule for finals. Start by listing all exams and project deadlines, then estimate study hours per subject and rank them by importance. Break study into focused blocks with short breaks and assign topics to each block. Use a weekly calendar template and review progress every evening to adjust upcoming blocks. Keep sessions realistic and include rest to prevent burnout while staying consistent and calm. Begin by breaking subjects into manageable topics and estimating how many sessions each needs. Schedule 45 to 90-minute focused blocks with 10 to 15-minute breaks to maintain energy and focus. Place harder topics earlier in the day when you are freshest and leave lighter review or practice tests for later. Track completed blocks and adjust future sessions, ensuring you leave at least one full day for final consolidation before each exam. Adopt active recall and spaced repetition to build long-term retention instead of passive rereading. Mix practice problems and timed mock exams to simulate real conditions and reduce test anxiety. Teach concepts aloud or explain them to a study partner to reveal gaps in understanding quickly. Rotate subjects each day to prevent fatigue and strengthen memory links, and always end sessions by summarizing key points you will revisit later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.